guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for joining me today on a long-awaited video from me. My name is Jasvir, for those of you who are new on my channel. I am very sorry that I have kept you guys waiting for so long. There is no excuse, I'm just plain lazy. Also, of course, I have a job that I go to apart from being on YouTube and social media. You got to pay the bills. So yes, today's video is a very funny experiment that I'm doing, and I haven't seen anyone do this on YouTube or any other channels or any other social media platform. This is something that probably is the first time being done, and I'm pretty excited to show you what I'm going to do. I'm actually excited myself to see how it turns out. So I wanted to say YouTube algorithm has kind of changed, or they've kind of moved things around, so where you probably, if you used to see my videos pop up to say I've uploaded a new video, you probably don't see that anymore. So be sure to hit the notification bell, and so like that you don't miss any videos from me, because all my videos are purely experimental. What I do is I do my paint pours or do float art, and then I add to that. So I kind of share what I learn as well along the way with you guys. So of course, that should help anyone who's trying to learn. So don't go anywhere, because I am going to be doing a really nice experiment, and I'm sure lots of you guys would want to try this out because it is different. And yeah, and for those of you who are new to my channel, I do other stuff apart from fluid art. I'm a portrait artist, and I also do abstract art. So all that combined, you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is @soulpainting, SOULLPAINTING, soul painting. I had to test my spelling skills there. Anyway guys, don't go anywhere, keep watching, and of course leave me a comment at the end of the video, and I'll list everything I've used in the description box. Please do like, subscribe and share this video, and of course if you have any advice, any tips, any comments, leave them in the comment box below. And this is my last video for this year. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, and I hope it's full of love, health and prosperity. All my love guys, stay blessed as always. Bye for now.